What's up, YouTube? We back. We doing another one. Changing all the O2 sensors, y'all. Well, we're gonna change all of them, but right now we're gonna do the upstream, which is bank 1 and bank 2, sensor 1 and sensor 2. Now, double check, but I believe this one right here is bank 1, sensor 1. And I believe that one right there is bank 2, sensor 1. These are before the cats. So bank 1, bank 2, sensor 1, sensor 2. They also have two more, which is bank 1, sensor 2, bank 2, sensor 2. So right now we're gonna do these, the up top ones. They're easy to do. I got over 4, but I'm gonna do these 2 right now. The car's still a little hot, so I'm gonna do these 2 right now since they're so easy to do. And let the car cool off while I'm doing these 2, and then we get to the next 2 that's underneath. Those are the downstream. Those are the ones that have the problems. That gave me the code. Bank 2, sensor 2 gave me the code, but I'm gonna change all 4 because if that one went out, I'm pretty sure the rest of them is on their way out too. So I'm gonna just tackle them all at once. Check it out. I bought this from Harbor Freight, $9. Excuse me. Bought this from Harbor Freight, $9. I bought 2 of them actually. I bought that one and I bought the other one because I don't know which one I'm gonna need, so I just got both just in case. I got that one and I also got this one because I don't know if the ones underneath I'll be able to get to. So I bought both of them. So I know I'll have both of them. I should be able to get them with one of them. So you gotta use 10 mil, pop off your engine covers. Got a bolt in it. Jesus Christ. Alright, well, let's work for me. Does this one have a bolt in the back? Yeah. Do it. Yeah, do it. your oil cap. Make sure you put it right back on so you don't drop nothing in your engine. Don't want no dirt, no tools, no nuts, bolts, nothing falling in there. That'd be catastrophic. Let's see how hard these O2 switches gonna be to get off. I don't know the last time they've been changed, so we gonna see. We'll try a little closer view, better view. Let's see, y'all. Take them out the clips. The wires is all in there. Take them out the clips. Put this around it. O2 sensor. Move the wire down. Okay, it fit, no problem. Let's see if it's gonna crack loose or it's gonna give me a problem. Having an extended ratchet like this gives you more torque and more leverage, so it's better versus a short ratchet that just has a small handle. It'll take more force and it'll be harder. This ratchet, I noticed that it cracks bolts way easier than the regular ratchet. I highly recommend that ratchet. Oh wow, came right off, y'all. Okay. Maybe because the car's hot too. I just was driving, so the car's hot, so maybe that helped loosen it up. Alright, so that's good. Now let's see if the next one gonna be as nice. Ain't as much room, so let's see. I think I got it, y'all. Oh wow. Yeah, it's coming off. Ain't really no room, but it's definitely coming off. Alright. So came off by hand too. Wow. Alright, so that was easy. Look like it's gonna be a good day. Let me show y'all close up. It's a little hard spinning it by hand with the wire on. But you can get it in. It's a little hot too, like I said, just when it's driving, so take a bit of finessing. But it's coming out slowly but surely. It's in a tight little spot. My hand's too big to get a good grip on it. Let me see if I can use this. Let's get it out. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put the camera down, y'all. Let me use both my hands and get this thing on out of there. And use the ratchet and make it much easier. There it go, y'all. We got it. Here it go. There, Gizzo, y'all. Now all I gotta do is take it out this side. Connect it right here. Let me get two. Here's a pick tool I got from Harbor Freight. Hopefully it's good enough to get this connected piece off. There you go. Hiya. I got the new one right here. Got it off of Amazon. It comes two. One upstream, one downstream. So I ordered 2 sets. And it comes with it's good because it comes with the sticker that tell you which one is upstream, which one is downstream. And it got numbers on them, so these 2 numbers will show you upstream, downstream, show you the numbers, and you just look at the numbers on the actual part, and it'll tell you upstream or downstream. What I did was I marked them though. I put a little mark so I know which one's upstream or downstream. This one, see, I put U's on it, bunch of U's on it, upstream, so I know this is upstream. This one is downstream, which is bank 2, sensor 2. That's after the cats. This is upstream, which is bank 1, sensor 1, bank 2, sensor 1, which is before the cats. And it only fits in one way, so you can't put them in wrong. It's only one way they can fit in, so that's good. Can't make no mistake. They only can fit in the way it goes. Let me see. Yeah, that's alright, wow. That's 1, 2, 3. I hope the other 2 is as easy as this, the bottom ones. Those might be the headache ones. But these top ones was a piece of cake. That's why I hope the bottom ones be just as easy. That way we get rid of that P056 code. And then I can get working on the P044 code, P0444 code, and after I get rid of that code, my check-in light should be gone. me see if it's easy if I take this back out the clip and just put it in while it's not connected. Even though the wire's not really in the way, it's just getting it to seat properly. But I don't know. Still, I don't know show, so we don't know. We're just doing shit. Come out. What the hell? Go right there. Go. See, if this engine wasn't hot, I'd be able to just take these gloves off and get it right in, but the engine is hot, so I can't do that. It's a gift and a blessing because being that the engine's hot, 026 came out easy. But because it's hot, I can't take my gloves off and burn my ass up and get it in. Yeah, I got it in, y'all. Now I'm just throw the extension on here, tighten it up. Let's see if I can just do it by hand. Take this spatula off. Yeah.